I want you to see what they've done at Zomerlust. So there's the new hotel car, and then our staff that's in their top hats, the way they've repaired the old tiles. Look at how reception's turned out. It has really transformed itself to something really special. Then you've got the outside area with all your hospitality snacks, the hospitality station, the most beautiful views onto the mountains. Then look at this. You're going to be so impressed. I'm just blown away. Every time I come here, my jaw drops. So up the stairs, look at how they've done the rooms. I'm going to take you into the smallest room first. Look at this. Lots of sun. The William Morris painting or wallpaper. The bathrooms turned out really beautiful. Let's take you in here. Huh? Can you believe it? So yeah, we've been invited to come and stay. Eat at the restaurant. I am very, very proud of what this team has accomplished. It is just beautiful. That room that we had, where we didn't think it's going to be finished, it's done. I want to go show you downstairs, show you what the pool area looks like as well. I don't know if I'm going to have time. Just look at that to appreciate today. Look at that. Isn't that just something so incredible? Okay, wait, I want to take you downstairs quickly. Do you remember the lady that was painting the restaurant murals? She's finished it all, and it has turned out so stunning. So obviously when you've got people in and there's fire going, and that's what she painted that we looked at last time. So very subtle, but it's woven into the old world look and feel. Look how the bar turned out. Very, very impressed. Let's see if we can go down to the pool area quickly. Just bear with me. Okay, have a look at this. So, as it's really turned out to be the prettiest little boutique hotel. Truthfully, I'm so proud to be taking this to market. Look at this. I really can't believe that they've done it all. And they said they would. But they have. So special. And the gardens are now in bloom. What this team has created is just absolutely beautiful. And to think what we've seen that side, all that time we were there, that really is just so gorgeous.